Morning, children. Have a nice day. I think that you all celebrated Vinayagar Chaturthi festival in very well. Yes, ma? Yes. Now we come to the lesson. It is a new lesson for you. It is fourth lesson in biology. That is organ system in animals. Okay. Organ system in animals. What are the organs is present in our body? You think that? Can you say what are the organ? Heart, brain, lungs, kidney, these are all organs. Okay, ma? Yes. So in this lesson, organ system, what are the organs? Circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, all this organ system. Okay, so we learn in this class, in this chapter first. Okay, so living organisms are evolved from simplest form to complex level of organization. Okay, ellame simple to complex. So cell only is the basic fundamental unit of all organism. You know very well this is. Yes. So all the cells, these are grouped to form tissues. The cells are grouped to form what, ma? Tissues. Okay. So tissues into organs. Tissues into organs. Organs form organ system. Organs form organ system. Okay. Then that organ system is forming that whole organism, entire organism. Okay. So that organ system, organ and organ system. For example, in our body, all that organs coordinate together to form that coordination, give that coordination. Then only all that organs work in that very well manner. For example, when we ride a bicycle, at the time our muscle system and also skeletal system work together to move our arms and steering and legs for pedaling. Okay, ma? In this way, our nerve system directs our arms and legs to work. In this also, respiratory, digestive and circulatory system, all this work and to provide energy to the muscles. Okay? Yes. So, in this organ and organ system, it is appeared in that first in phylum Platyhelminthes. In the phylum முதல்ல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது Platyhelminthesல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகி it continues till that mammals. இதுவரை அப்படி போகுது up to mammals. Okay. So the similar groups of cell tissue, similar groups of cells form tissue. The tissues like muscles and nerve tissue, like that. Okay. Then tissues are organized to form organs. For example, heart, brain, these are organ, lungs, like that. Okay. Two or more organs together to form an organ system. Okay. To form an organ system. So and perform common function like digestion, circulation, nerve impulse transmission, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, all this. So division of labor is found among the various organ system. Okay, ma? So in this chapter we learn about that structure and function of various organ system. For example, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, in that human beings, in the human beings. Okay ma? Just we see the table for organ system in animals. Table for organ system in animals. So first one is integumentary system. Integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, sensory system, and also endocrine system. First we see the integumentary system. Integumentary system, the organs are skin and skin glands. ஸ்கின்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த glands. Okay. Then the function of the integumentary system, it is the production and also excretion. Production, it protects our body. Okay, it protects our body, and also excretion. So through the skin, that sweat are removed. Okay, small pores like that in our skin. Okay, yes. Then the second one is the skeletal system. So in the skeletal system, what are the organs? Skull, vertebral column, sternum, girdles and limbs. Skull means தெரியும், மண்டை ஓடுன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. ஸோ brain is very safe in the skull. So vertebral column, it is a backbone. Yes. Then sternumனா அந்த செஸ்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த எலும்புகள். கிரிடில்ஸ் and limbs. ஓகே அம்மா, வளையங்கள், hip girdles, like that. Then the function of the skeletal system is give the support, shape and form to the body. Support, shape கொடுக்கிறது, சப்போர்ட்டை கொடுக்கிறது நம்மளுடைய பாடிக்கு. ஓகே. Then the third one, muscular system. That muscular system, muscle fibers is the organ. Okay, muscular system, muscle fibers the organ. Okay. Then function, contraction and relaxation resulting movement. Okay, contraction and also relaxation, அந்த சுருங்கி விரிகிறது மூலம் மூமெண்ட் ஏற்படுது. ஓகே அம்மா? எஸ். தென் nerve system. What are the organs? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain, spinal cord and also nerves. What is the function of the nerve system? Conducts of nerve impulse. அந்த நரம்பு தூண்டுதலை என்ன செய்தது? transmission பண்ணுறது தான் அதோட ஒர்க்கு. Then circulatory system, the organs are heart, blood and blood vessels. These are the organs of the circulatory system. Then function, transportation of respiratory gases, nutritive substance and also waste products. Okay, so the transport பண்ணுது gases, respiratory gas and also nutritive substance and excretory waste product. இது எல்லாமே டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எது யூஸ் ஆகுது? சர்க்குலேட்டரி சிஸ்டம். ஸோ the circulatory system used in the transportation of the gases, nutritive substance and also excretory products. Then the next one is respiratory system. Respiratory system is related to respiratory tract and lungs. Respiratory tract and also lungs. So for breathing, what is that function? Breathing. It is the respiratory system. Okay.